going on, guys? This is Smitty with Modern Pro Polish with today's paint correction tip of the day. Whenever you're picking your microfibers for your final polish, remember, don't go off of what they feel like to your hand, because your hand is equivalent to 5,000 grit sandpaper, so anything will feel soft to it. You have to go off of how the finish looks on the vehicle once you wipe your final polish away from the paint. So for a long time, I didn't know that I was scratching up the surface with the towel I was using until I realized my hand is more rough than I expected it to be. So keep in mind that your towels could be destroying your final finish, and you need to find a towel that's soft enough for hard, medium, and soft paint. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace. If you guys are looking at learning more about paint correction and taking your craft to another level, turn your system into consistency and join us at the Pro Polishers Academy Crew app, where we're going to have daily chats and we're going to have discussions about your questions and whatever it is that you may have challenges with. The first 100 to enroll will be free. We pay for the system out of pocket, so we are literally paying for you to come in and learn. So don't take it for granted. Get in there. We're going to have question and answers, tips and tricks every day, and we're going to have weekly phone calls. And my good friend Jose Castro from Refined Auto Paint Restoration will be there as well. And this guy's a beast at what he does. He works on six-figure classic cars to six-figure exotic cars, and he knows his stuff. Don't take it for granted. Instagram is cool, but it'll only take you so far. You can get in here in the Crew app and ask us your specific questions, and we'll be happy to help you right away. So let's build a community and see where it takes us. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.